Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am teacher of class prep 2. Today we will learn sound of U. What's the sound of U? A. Now make a three-letter words of A. Let's see. What is this? This is a bug. This is a bug. What's the beginning sound of bug? B. What's the middle sound of bug? A. What's the ending sound of bug? G. Bug, 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 bug. Now in the next picture, what is this? Bus. This is a bus. This is a bus. What's the beginning sound of bus? B. What's the middle sound of bus? A. What's the ending sound of bus? S. Bus, 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 bus. Next picture. What is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. What is this? This is a cup. What's the beginning sound of cup? K. What is the middle sound of cup? A. What's the ending sound of cup? B. K, up, cup. K, up, cup. Now in the next picture, what is this? Hut. What is this? Hut. This is a hut. This is a hut. What's the beginning sound of hut? What's the middle sound of hut? A. What's the ending sound of hut? T. Hut, hut. Hut, hut. Let's see, what is this? Mug. This is a mug. This is a mug. What's the beginning sound of mug? What's the middle sound of mug? A. What's the ending sound of mug? G. Ug, mug. Ug, mug. Let's see, next picture. What is this? This is a rug. This is a rug. What's the beginning sound of rug? R. What's the beginning sound of rug? R. What's the middle sound of rug? A. What's the ending sound of rug? G. Rug, rug. Rug, rug. We have read sound of A, so let's go. Written work, English book, page number 23. Let's read and write the words with A. Bug, bus, cup, hut, mug, rug. Trace and write, complete your work. English book, page number 23. Neat and clean. I hope you understood sound of A. Allah Hafiz.